Welcome to the channel, guys. My day continues. I just finished replacing a serpentine belt on a 2004 Infiniti G35 coupe, and right now I will be doing the same job on a 2004 Ford F150 that hopefully you guys could see behind me. I have not done this kind of job on this kind of truck before. In order to get easier access to the belt, you'll have to remove this 10mm bolt. So I'm gonna do that. It should be fairly easy. And I'm still using my manual tools, no power tools, just to show you guys that you don't need nothing fancy to get this job done. Once the 10mm bolt is out, all you have to do is just gently pull this out. See this clip right here? Will kind of make it a little bit difficult, so I kind of pushed on it, and all you do is literally just gently pull on it. I mean, you'll have to use a little bit of force, but once that's unhooked, this whole assembly, the air intake, just comes out like this. I'm gonna place it to the side. This opens up the front of the engine. There's the pulley tensioner, and we will have to release that to loosen up the belt, to slip it right off. And you'll need to put a 1/2 inch breaker bar inside the pulley and turn it clockwise. This is the setup that I got going on. 1/2 inch is in there, and then I loosened the tensioner, took the belt off. So now I'm gonna work slowly around getting the belt out, and then I'll start putting the other one in. Here's the old belt. As you can see, it's pretty big. There it is. I know it's actually a little bit difficult to take out. I didn't realize it would be. To put it back in, you'll have to slide the two ends of the belt in there, and you still don't have much room to kind of pull it out. There should be a diagram somewhere. There we go. In case you forget how the belt is supposed to sit on the pulleys, this diagram is what you'll need to follow, and it looks like it's the same for a 4.6 and a 5.4 engine. Well, I struggled a little bit more than I thought I would, and I really had to follow this diagram right here. So I highly suggest that if you will be struggling, use this diagram. And the reason why I struggled is there's a lot of pulleys in here, and the belt, it seems almost logical to kind of put it over the fan, but you can't. And there's the metal piece that connects to the pulley that drives the fan. It is just weird. Out of all the cars that I've replaced the belt, not that it's difficult, this whole setup is just a little odd to me. But it works if you follow the diagram, and the new belt is on. Remember, make sure all the ridges are on the pulleys correctly. And I'm gonna connect the air intake, and I'm gonna start up the truck and make sure everything is running as it should. These are the tools I used. 1/2 inch breaker bar and a 10mm socket to undo the air intake. And I used that hollow pipe to get better leverage and more pressure on the breaker bar to release the tension on the belt. That's the old belt. Everything has been put back in its place. Now, as for cost, how much did it cost? This serpentine belt was like $19 on Amazon. Is the same brand that I use, Bondo, I believe. It's a USA made belt. Struggled a little bit, but within half an hour I replaced it, and it didn't require much tools at all. So you guys could do it at home too. Stick around for more awesome videos, and thank you so much for watching this one.